Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, beauty, hauls, reviews, all around pretty much the beauty realm, but I like to focus on face paint and special effects. It's funny because I posted a Nespresso unboxing on my channel a while ago and it's still going strong, and I've said that in my other Nespresso video, and you guys just love these Nespresso videos that I thought I would hop on here and film another one. So I have my Nespresso box right here and I wanted to show you what I ordered this time around. It is the holiday season. It is, I think we're about 6 or 7 days until Christmas now, so I do have some of the new flavors in here and I am drinking one right now, so stay tuned to hear what I have to say. Of course, throughout the video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe to my family, check out my other videos, and I would really love it if you would leave some comments down below and let me know what you think. Have you tried some of these? Do you want to try some of these? Do you even have an espresso, or did you just find this video randomly in quarantine? So stay tuned and let's get the coffee stuff rolling. Okay, so I have to say this time around ordering the Nespresso, usually when I order Nespresso, it comes like the next day or the day after, and it comes bright and early at my front door to when I pretty much wake up around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I open my front door, my coffee is sitting on my doorstep and I can go ahead and make my coffee. With all the shutdowns and stuff, I have to say that this time around took a lot longer. I want to say I received this today and I probably ordered it about 10 days ago. But nonetheless, it still showed up bright and early, which I can't really complain because I walked downstairs, didn't have my coffee, opened my door, and there it was. So I was especially excited to order and open this for you guys because it includes some of their new flavors, which I have been a member of Nespresso for a while and I haven't seen any flavors like this before, and I'm super excited. My order, let's see, I have my little sheet here of what I ordered. I ordered some of my regular stuff and then I threw in 2 of the new creations. So let's start with the first one because I'm drinking it right now. I ordered 2. This is a limited edition and the packaging is really pretty. This is the Nespresso Peppermint Pinwheel. Look at how pretty that is. All pods, or all cartons of pods, come with 10. This is what the pod looks like, and I have the Virtuo line, which is the bigger pods. Isn't that cool? I love that color. Look, and it matches my lipstick. I wanted to try to be holiday-ish today. So I'm drinking it right now, and I have the notes pulled up right here on my phone, or actually I'm on the chocolate fudge one. Let's see. I don't even see the peppermint one on their website anymore, so I can't tell you, but I can tell you what it tastes like. I'm not usually a big fan of peppermint, so I'm actually a little surprised in myself that I ordered this flavor, but it's amazing. The peppermint is really, really light. You can taste that it's there, but it's not overpowering. It's not like biting into, what are those called? The York peppermint patties. It's not like that at all. Still got the coffee flavor, and then you have a little hint of peppermint, which is so nice, and it's totally cozy for the holidays, and I was super excited to try this. I make my coffee the same way every single time, no matter what flavor it is, and I do like a splash of cream and I do a 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. I like to taste my coffee, as I've said in my previous videos. This tastes really, really good. It's not too overpowering, and if it's still available on the website, I highly recommend it. I'm looking through it right now and I'm not seeing it. I just see the chocolate fudge one. So the pinwheel one, I ordered 2 boxes, which now I'm glad that I did. And then the next one I ordered is the chocolate fudge. This is what the box looks like. I just made this for my husband downstairs and I got to try this one as well. This is what the pod looks like. Again, it comes with 10 of these. I bought 3 boxes of these because I knew that me and my husband would both enjoy these, and I tried it when I gave it to him, and it's really good. It tastes like a chocolate mocha. That's pretty much how I can explain it. The chocolate is kind of rich, but again, it's not overpowering, and that's what I love about Nespresso is you can still taste the coffee and you can taste the flavor. It's like a really nice medley, like a balance of both. So I got 3 boxes of these. So we will be drinking those for a while. Let me see what the notes say on this one, because I did have this pulled up. Yeah, so a rich dark chocolate flavor, which I said you can taste the richness in it, but it's not overpowering. So it all starts with the base coffee blend of Latin America, aromatic and finesse. Smooth blend, comes with the chocolate fudge flavor. Yeah, so, oh, it says with a soft biscuit note. I could see that. Yeah. It's so funny. I used to work in the wine industry, and it's just so funny to hear like people comparing things, which I mean, we do it all the time for wine, and I love hearing it for coffee too. Everyone's different opinions of like the different notes that they taste. I agree with the biscuit. Okay, and then I have said this in my other video that this is another favorite of mine. I think they're keeping it on the website because it's been on for a while, and I thought that this was a limited edition at one time. But this is the vanilla custard pie, and if you guys haven't had this, it's amazing. This is what the box looks like, and it's really good. It's like a sweet, I want to say the notes were like cereal, and it was very creamy, and it's just really, really good. If you're looking for like a good vanilla coffee, then this is it. And then the one that I always rave about is my Mexican blend. So this one is just Mexico. The box looks like this. Pods are green. This is still my go-to coffee. I have literally tried everything on their website for the most part. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 like original flavors I haven't tried, but this Mexico one, I love it. It is so good. It's like that perfect cup of coffee. Any mood that you're in, that's it. And I got 2 boxes of those. So that's pretty much it for my haul, you guys. Yeah, if I had to choose between the peppermint or the chocolate fudge one, honestly, I would probably choose the peppermint one, which is really weird because like I said, I'm not a big mint peppermint kind of fan, but I just really love the taste of this because it's not overpowering and it's really, really nice. So guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this particular video. I really appreciate your guys' support. Feel free to check out my other Nespresso videos. I think I have 2 other ones up now. And let me know what you guys want to see next when it comes to like the coffee stuff. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love that you guys love watching my coffee videos. It's so funny to me because I'm a beauty channel, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys have tried the peppermint pinwheel. Let me know if you've tried the chocolate fudge and which one you like the best. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.